Welcome back to another 4 for More workout. And just like I said on Tuesday, today's workout is all lower body and we're using mini bands today. So let's get to it. Okay, so today we have 4 exercises like always, and this time I want you to do 4 rounds of each exercise. Now I want you to do it in a circuit, so do the allotted amount of reps back to back of each exercise. After you do those 4, you get a 60-second break and then right on to the second set, okay? So our very first exercise is a deadlift. So you'll need 1 mini band for this. We're gonna put this under our feet, just like so. And I want you to put your feet about shoulder width apart, okay? So bring that pelvis under, shoulders are gonna be back and down. You're gonna keep your back super flat on this exercise. I'm gonna turn around so you can see. So you want to grab onto the band, come all the way up. Shoulders are back, pelvis is under. We're gonna come down right past our knees, bringing those hips back, just hinge them back. Down, back is super flat, down to the knees, up, and squeeze those glutes. Down, 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 squeeze. Come on down, and squeeze. Keeping that back super flat and those shoulders back, and squeeze. Okay, so that's our first one. Our second one was going to have us on our ankles. So throw it on your ankles. Okay, so I want you to have it at your ankles. You're going to spread your feet wider than your hips. I'm gonna back up for this one. So hinge your hips back just a little bit so you're in just a mini squat, okay? Pelvis is tucked under, chest is up and open, and we're going to step forward. Small steps. So step, 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 and as you're stepping, see how I'm pulling out the band? That's what you want. So you're gonna go 4 steps forward, then we're gonna go back, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3, 4, okay? So on this exercise, what I want you to do is forward, you're gonna do 4 steps forward, 4 steps backwards, and repeat that process 10 times, okay? So our next exercise, we're hitting the floor. So we're gonna come down here. You're gonna be on your hands and knees. But first, we're gonna put our band around our feet. So you're just gonna wrap it around your foot, just like this. Let's come around. You're gonna get into plank position, just about. So your hands are under your shoulders, be on your knees, okay? And this leg is gonna go straight. This one's gonna stay bent. So bring it out. So you're in this position, okay? Your back is flat. So you're gonna bring that foot off the ground, pointing that toe downward, and we're gonna bring it in, kick it out. In, kick, in, kick. You'll feel your booty working. In, kick, in, and kick. Okay, on this exercise, you'll do 15 on this side, and then 15 on the other side. 1 more to go. We're still going to have our band close to our feet. We're gonna have them on our ankles. So, not our ankles, but our calves. So, put it on your calves, so right here in the middle is a good spot. We're gonna get in a high plank position. So, let me get it back onto my calves. Okay, you're gonna have your feet wide. And then if you have a second band, you can use this for a little extra upper body workout. So, if you have one, you can put it on your wrist. So make sure you pull it out. That's that tension that's really gonna work you a little bit more so that your hands are about shoulder width apart, okay? So we're gonna get into that plank position. We're up, feet are wide, hips are down, pelvis is under. Okay, so we're gonna jump in and out. These are plank jumps. In, out, keeping those hips down, pelvis under, abs are tight, in in and out, in and out. Okay? I want you to do that one 15 times as well. So after you finish all 4 of those, go ahead and do 3 more rounds after that, so a total of 4. And I hope this was a great workout that you liked today. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comments. And also, I would like to know what you prefer. So please put this down in the comments, it'll help me out. Do you prefer short videos like today, where I just show the exercises and give you how many reps and sets and things like that? Or do you prefer me working out with you throughout the entire routine? So please let me know what you prefer, and then we'll go from there. So have a happy and healthy day. Please subscribe if you are new to the channel, and I will see you next week.